So I can't tell you how many of these barbecues that I've done over the years with the block. It occurred to me, having the board, I was like, well, as I got to this return, I'm going, oh, the next one is 8 inches wide and it's got to be this long, narrow thing, and I have to try to, you know, support that and then build all this with block. I said, forget it. What we're going to do is we're going to make this front panel with 3/4 inch Cemrock. We're going to cut the openings out. We're going to put the trays in so that the water doesn't go through the grill into the inside. As you can see, this is all open. Putting the board in is going to be drastically easier than trying to sit here and do this with all the block, and we'll have way more access to the interior and easier to run utilities. So in the screen here, I'm just using the computer to draw this out. I mean, you could easily do this on a piece of paper where you just measure your appliances and put them wherever you want. You don't have to worry about block thickness. Am I going to use a solid block? Am I going to cut an 8-inch block that's hollow? How am I going to support it? How am I going to do these trays with bluestone and build all that out? All a thing of a past, antiquated, caveman type stuff. There's not many boards you're going to lift up like that. Kick the bottom side in on this piece. Yeah, right. A little bit. Yeah. 1/8 inch there. Pull this over.
What's that?
Just got the